I was driving down the road, minding my own business, went to make a left turn, got into the turn lane, and after a few cars passed, this car that was at the stop sign where I was turning onto just hit me and broadsided me on my driver's side. I was hurt, yeah, because everything, just because I was at a standstill and he was accelerating, just knocked the holy cow out of everything, and everything went this way and I went that way, and I've had a lot of pain from it. I drove to the post office all the time, and I see your building, and then there's a lot of advertisement. I've been in Winter Haven all my life. And then, one day I was driving by doing something, and I saw y'all and said, you know what, I think I'm gonna give them a call. Awesome. Every time I had a question, if I made a phone call, they got right back with me. If they weren't available, we're talking like in no time, minutes sometimes. I was never put on hold and not returned a phone call. Everything was Johnny on the spot. It's helpful. If I had questions, they got right back. If they had questions, I was able to get right back in touch with them. It wasn't phone tag, you're it. I didn't have a lot of questions, but the ones I do were I'm still important. I wasn't a number, I was a person. And I wasn't treated like I was a number, and they treated me as if I was like their friend, and here, let me help you do this, or I don't have that answer, I'll get right back with you, and that's important. I 100% would recommend this law group for anybody. I've actually talked to 2 or 3 other people recently about y'all, positively. I'm very blessed to have y'all represent me.